Hey there, Munchie Mafia. So, I think today's Tuesday. Still got COVID. Feeling a little better. Feel a little less like death. And kind of makes you wonder what's going to happen the next time I have another vacation, which is in a few weeks. If I'm going to come down with something or break a hip or whatever, because it's like 2 failed attempts at vacation. So what I'm doing right now is I'm presently unboxing my new smoker that I got for my birthday. Thank you, Timmy, for the smoker. I'd give you a kiss, but I got COVID. I am the porch refugee. It comes with a remote control. Gotta turn it off, and it's got this cute little clip. Now this is a different brand of smoker than what I'm accustomed to. The two that I had was an MES30, which is made by Masterbuilt. The other one is a Cabela's branded Masterbuilt. It was like a 20-inch. It's a smaller one. That's the one that died recently, and we can't find the part for it, and my hair's blowing all over the place. It's a little breezy today. Sorry if you can't understand me very well. I'm still not feeling very good, but I'm sitting out here on the porch because this is the safest place for me. So, hey, this is my bedroom. So, let's see here. Sorry about the mess on my porch, but here's a smoker. It's made by East Oak, and it's a 30-inch electric smoker. And it comes with a remote. I guess apparently it could also be controlled. Do we have a knife, or do we trust me with a knife? Thank you.
Fresh blade.
Yeah, fresh blade. It can be controlled via app as well, which is new to me because my old one was my old 30-inch that's got a dead control module. Let's just leave that there. Yeah. Box within a box, of course. Box within a box. Oh, shit. Shoot, I mean... Alright. Oops. Let's see. Oh my god. So... Whoa, hello. Alright, so this has got to be the drip pan. This thing actually has a larger capacity wood chip thingy. Let's see here. What is this and what is this? This has got to be... This has got to be a something. What is this? This has got to go up top. Okay. So, set that there. Let's get rid of this box. That's one box down. 2 more boxes to go. So, this here is a doohickey.
That's a grease catch.
Grease pan. And so I'm guessing that it fits like that. And it probably fits in there somehow. I have no idea how the hell this goes. I'm guessing it goes like that.
Just a minute.
It looks like
it
goes like, okay, so we're looking at the instructions because we do need instructions for this. So, yes, I was right. So this goes in the bottom. Oh, what'd you do? Just throw it off the porch?
I set it down for right now.
Oh, okay. All right. That's it. That's how it sits. Alright, so that part's done.
There's your grease pan.
Oh, and the grease pan now. You've handed me the grease pan. Grease pan goes in... Where's the thing for the grease pan?
Goes in the middle, down
the middle on the bottom, just like the other one did. Alright. You know what? I kind of like this. Seems nice and
Find a
sturdy.
little package with 2 screws in it, let me know.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Maybe in the other box. Let's look at the next box. Alright. Put the hair up. finally got a shower. I feel a little more human today. So we're putting together this smoker. I don't have the nice fancy cameras out here, so we're just kind of having to deal with my cell phone for right now. Let's see here. There we go. All right, good enough. All right. Now I got the hair out of the way. All right, so now we got 2 more parts. We've got what looks like a goofy looking 9-pan.
That's a water pan.
It's a water, max water wine is there. Okay, so that's pretty sturdy. All right, let's set that there. All right, let's unbox the next thing. So, all right, this has got to be the wood chip thing. All right, let's see here. I really appreciate the care and concern that they've put into this. Let's see here. This smoker box is designed for wood chips. Do not use wood chunks or pellets. Never use charcoal inside the smoker or smoker box as it will cause a fire. Lid must be used at all times. And then it's in French. So, oh, that's nice.
That's really cool.
Unlike the Masterbuilt that's got this little trap door off the back side or off the side. This is nice because it actually holds. It looks like the capacity is quite huge. So no having to yank the tube out and reload or whatnot. I don't know if I still have the one for the old one, but the other one, the little 20-inch that I had here, had a little trap door and it had a little thingy, and you just put some chips in there and you slam it shut and pray. This is impressive.
The catch basin for it is right there. That's where the wood chips would land when you launch them in.
Is that no, that's the grease trap, I thought.
No, that's the wood chip trap.
Oh, this is the wood. Okay, so this is the wood chip trap from the Cabela's one. As you can see, the wood chips from the last time I tried to use the smoker did not ignite because the igniter thing that sets, what he said. So now this goes into the side of it. Yeah, this is impressive. I think I'm really liking this. Now I think it's like $150 cheaper. Let's see here. All right. Round peg, square hole, right? It should go in like that, right?
Yep.
What the frick am I doing wrong then?
Your grease trap is up too high.
Is it up too high?
It's not all the way down.
Oh. All right, let's just set that there for a moment. All right, that fits nice. All right, so then this must go somewhere else then. Let's see here. What the hell? Does that go like that then?
I don't know. Let me look at the instructions.
Or, wait a minute. Maybe that goes here?
It says it goes on top of the smoker box.
There it is. Okay, I figured it out.
Okay.
All right, so let me show you what we've done so far. So here's this. Let me just flip the camera around. Let's see. Do I know how to flip the camera around? I don't know how to flip the camera around. Okay, so there we go. There's that so far. So now you're gonna take this. That must go right there, like so.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
All right. So far, so good. All right. Here's this. I'm not seeing any screws, Kenny. They might have been stuck in one of those little bags in a corner or something.
I'll pull the old bags back out.
All right. So, nice sturdy racks, unlike the one with Cabela's. Can't really complain too much about the Cabela's one because I got it for free. One of Timmy's friends gave it to us because he wasn't using it, and it was brand spanking new. But baggies. All right. So I am guessing that that's got to go in the back. Shoot. No, that's not right. Only two different combinations. All right, so how do we put these in there? Which sides? That must go in the back.
Where the handle was.
It's got a thermal probe.
Maybe the screws are already in the holes.
Yeah, that could be it. It's highly probable. Where's the holes?
On the back, it's for this handle.
On the back for this handle.
On the back of the whole thing.
On the back of the hole.
Here, look at this. This goes on the back of it.
On the back of the smoker?
To pick it up.
Oh, so it's got a nice sturdy handle that goes on the back of it. Let's take a look.
Now, look back there and see if there's like two screws that far apart that would come out.
There are two screws.
Okay, there's the screws.
All right, so we'll set that on top.
I'll fix that later.
So, all right, Mechi Mafia. This thing is gorgeous. Whew.
And it all works off a remote or off your phone.
Yeah, now all I have to do is just figure out all this. So, like I said, this thing's made by East Oak. And I signed up for their affiliate program. It comes with a temperature probe, which plugs in right there. This thing's a beauty. There we go. We just throw it on top. And let's see here. Why won't it show me a way to flip the camera around? Anyway, so here we are. Now all we have to do is just figure out what is it that we're going to cook first in this bad boy. Now this is one thing that concerns me a little bit, is that it's a glass front. And I know that in the Masterbuilt smoker forums, even though this is not a Masterbuilt, that these things have been known to explode just randomly.
We got an extended year warranty, 3 years extended warranty that covers the glass.
Oh yeah, that's another thing, is that, you know, the Masterbuilt didn't come with that big warranty. This thing comes with a 3-year standard warranty.
And then we got another 3 years on top of that.
And then another 3 years on top of that. So it's like, let's get to smoking. Let me get to feeling better first. And then we're going to get to smoking. So anyway, just short little video. Very easy to read manual. Only 28 pages. And all of it is in English. Comes with all sorts of cool little things. Welcome to the East Oak family. It's got some QR codes. And uncover new tricks and join the conversation. Join now. Certificate of authenticity.
Don't show the last one.
And unique product ID number. Claim your 3-year warranty in 90 days. Yeah, that's pretty slick. Pretty happy with that. This thing looks pretty robust. I love it. I love it. So now we just need to figure out what to name it. So come up with something. Let's have a little party, a little naming party. And what should we cook in it the first time around? It's got 4 racks. It's a lot of room for a lot of stuff. I'm looking forward to this. So, Munchie Mafia. It's short and sweet today. I was going to do a live, but then I thought, well, maybe not. I look like crap. Sound like crap. And, yeah. God. I wish I could use it right now. Maybe we'll do some pork butts.
We have a couple of pork roasts in the freezer.
Yeah, but I don't want to cook right now because I'm not
Yeah,
feeling
no,
well,
I
and I don't want to get you sick. That's why I've been living on the porch. So, anyway, thank you, Tibby.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, and a cute little remote. I just got to figure out how to use the app. I got to figure that one out. It's gonna be fun. So, I'll see you soon. Love ya.